Have you ever paused to wonder why, in the heart of the African night, the air sometimes echoes with a sound so uncanny it could be mistaken for laughter? The cackling chorus that rises from the savannah isn't a comedy show. It's the voice of one of nature's most misunderstood creatures, the hyena. Today, we're going deep into the science and secrets behind this iconic sound, unraveling the truth about what's really going on when hyenas laugh. Let's start by exploring the rich tapestry of hyena vocalizations. Contrary to the cartoons and common myths, hyenas don't just laugh. Their voices are as varied and expressive as their social lives. Among their vocal repertoire, the whoop stands out, a long, haunting call that can carry for miles, used to rally the clan together across the open plains. Then there's the grunt, a more subdued, close-range sound, perfect for communicating subtle intentions or reassurance among nearby companions. When tensions rise, a hyena may let loose a yell, a piercing cry that signals aggression or alarm. And of course, there's the infamous giggle, the sound that has captured our imagination and led to so many misconceptions. This laughter is known to scientists as the giggle call, and it's anything but a sign of humor. The mechanics behind it are fascinating. Like many mammals, hyenas use their vocal cords to produce sound, but they have a highly specialized larynx and a uniquely shaped vocal tract. This allows them to manipulate the pitch and tone of their calls with remarkable precision. The giggle call, in particular, is characterized by rapid shifts in frequency and tone, qualities that our human brains interpret as laughter. But the reality is far more complex. Why does this giggle sound so much like a chuckle to us? It all comes down to the way our brains process sound. The quick, unpredictable changes in pitch mimic the patterns of human laughter, tricking us into hearing mirth where there is none. For hyenas, though, the giggle is a sophisticated social tool, not a sign of amusement. Let's clear up some of the most persistent myths about hyena laughter. First, the idea that hyenas laugh when they're happy is simply not true. In fact, the giggle call often emerges in moments of anxiety, submission, or frustration, especially when food is involved. Second, it's a misconception that only spotted hyenas laugh. While the spotted hyena is most famous for its giggle, all 4 hyena species have their own versions of laugh-like sounds, each adapted to their unique social structures. Third, and perhaps most colorfully, is the myth that hyenas laugh to mock their prey. In reality, the giggle has nothing to do with taunting. Instead, it plays a vital role in the complex social dance of hyena life. So, what is the real purpose of the hyena's giggle? In the intricate hierarchy of a hyena clan, vocalizations are key to maintaining order and reducing conflict. The giggle serves as a submissive signal, especially among younger or lower-ranking hyenas. When approaching a kill or trying to access food, a giggle can signal to dominant clan members that the giggler poses no threat, hoping to avoid aggression. The call is also a sign of frustration. Imagine a hyena caught between hunger and the risk of challenging a higher-ranking peer. Interestingly, the pitch of the giggle can reveal a lot about the individual hyena. Lower-pitched giggles often come from older, more dominant individuals, while higher-pitched ones are typically the domain of juveniles or subordinates. In the wild, hyenas use their voices to navigate the challenges of their environment. During hunts, they coordinate with each other using a range of calls. Short yips and yelps help them stay connected over distances, while the whoop can summon reinforcements or signal a successful chase. When defending territory, a chorus of whoops can warn rival clans to keep their distance. And at the feeding site, the giggle becomes a crucial part of the negotiation as hyenas jostle for position and access to the spoils. The social structure of hyena clans is among the most complex in the animal kingdom. With groups sometimes numbering up to 80 individuals, effective communication is essential. Hyenas have evolved a sophisticated vocal system to match their intricate social lives, allowing them to convey information about identity, rank, intention, and emotion. This vocal dexterity is a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. It's important to note that hyenas aren't alone in the animal world when it comes to laugh-like calls. The kookaburra, a bird native to Australia, is famous for its raucous, laughter-like call. But just like the hyena, the kookaburra's laugh has nothing to do with humor. It's a territorial signal, a way to communicate with others of its kind. These parallels remind us that in nature, sounds that seem familiar to us often serve very different purposes. Understanding hyena vocalizations isn't just an academic exercise. It has real-world implications for conservation. Scientists use recordings of hyena calls to monitor populations in the wild, mapping clan territories and tracking changes over time. This non-invasive method allows researchers to gather vital data without disturbing the animals, helping to ensure that hyenas continue to play their important role in the ecosystem. As we reflect on the mystery and meaning of hyena laughter, it's clear that these calls are far more than just eerie echoes in the night. They are the threads that bind hyena society together, the signals that help these remarkable animals survive and thrive in a challenging world. The next time you hear a hyena's cackle, remember, it's not laughter as we know it, but a window into a world of complex communication and social intelligence. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of hyena vocalizations. There's always more to discover when we look beyond the surface and listen with curiosity. If you found this exploration intriguing, consider sharing it with someone who loves learning about the wonders of the animal kingdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into animal behavior and natural mysteries. Until next time, stay curious, keep listening, and remember, in nature, things are rarely what they seem.